Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how I use the Rav Vast drum in a healing session. So my client will be laying down on the table, and in this case it's my beautiful wife Edie, and laying down. And during these COVID times my clients will be wearing a mask. I don't wear a mask because I need to play the instruments and sing and vocalize. And so I guide my clients to breathe using the weight, the resistance of the drum. So I help them by teaching deep belly breathing. So on the inhalation, you're breathing into your nose. See how high you can gently lift the drum? Beautiful. And on the exhalation, see how slowly and how low you can let it go with your tummy. And as you exhale, you can exhale with a gentle hum or just a gentle exhalation of a breath. Okay, so inhaling, lifting the drum, beautiful, and nice slow exhale, and let's just exhale with a hum. Beautiful. And just continue doing that. And as you're doing that, if any sounds that I make, if they don't feel good for any reason whatsoever, simply breathe deeply, hum, and let them go. Any sounds that I make that do feel good, simply breathe deeply and let them go. So just breathing, letting go, and moving with me, letting the energy move the body. Now, when I'm playing the drum to what I'm seeing, feeling, and sensing in your body. So I'm playing your sounds with this instrument. I'm also might be saying some things and doing some vocal toning or something with the drum. So we're working together to let this move. Yeah. So that's what we're going to do, okay? So we're just going to play that a little bit, and here we go. Just feeling, being aware of the sensations in your body, the sensations that the drum vibrates and makes in your body, and also sounding, humming, however you're feeling with the sounds. Sounding noticed the breathing got less, she got calmer, she got more relaxed, and just basically went into a pretty deep, relaxing state, which is very common. A lot of people will start breathing, a lot of sound, we get some movement, and then what's after the movement? That's many, many people's experience. Thank you.